It could be, yeah.
We'll know if there's a
Auto rack in the back,
at the
yeah.
very end. Yeah.
Ain't this cool? He's slowing down now.
It's gonna stop again. We've been here like 10 minutes and 2 trains already.
Exactly.
Well, you're moving to Folkston, are you?
I don't know. It's tempting.
Do you see that yellow over here? I know you're trying to see your train. See the awning coming down in the yellow? That's
Yeah.
a rail car there.
I see.
And I think you're turned into like a little hotel.
I see.
Train went to the stop.
Yeah.
It's a long one.
Oh yeah. Some old Tropicana cars over there.
Running on nitrate.
You should eat it. Just kidding. Oh. Is he gonna do it?
He's coming in for a landing.
Another landing.
That means another one's gonna be going that way.
Maybe.
Well, we got double track, so.
Yeah. You can hear the motors for the refrigerator cars.
Yeah. Thermo King. Like on the front of a truck.
Yeah.
Are you getting hungry yet?
I'm alright. I mean, I'm not opposed. I'm indifferent, basically. I'm having fun here. I'm having
that
fun.
street we just came in on where that barbecue place was.
Yeah.
We can leave the car parked here and go over there and eat.
Not
and then come
opposed.
back.
Yeah,
But
sure.
You still got 3 hours of daylight.
Yeah.